In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a missing folder in Outlook. If a folder seems to have vanished, chances are it's just hidden by your current view or not showing in your favorites. I'll walk you through a simple sequence to reveal the full folder tree and bring key folders back into sight. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, click the official Outlook website to open your mailbox. If you're prompted, sign in to your account. Once Outlook is open, we'll adjust the view settings that control which folders appear on the left side of the screen. At the top of Outlook, click the View tab. This area contains layout options that directly affect what you see in the folder pane. Next, select Folder pane. This menu lets you show, hide, or expand the list of folders. Choose Folder List to display the complete folder tree. This ensures you're not just looking at a minimized pane or a reduced view. Instead, you'll see every mailbox and subfolder available on your account. While you're still in the View tab, click Show. This section helps you manage which elements are visible in your Outlook layout. If the folder pane had been collapsed or hidden, adjusting these options brings it back and makes your folders easier to locate. Now, click Folder pane again to confirm the setting and verify that the full list remains visible. Next, click Favorites. Favorites is the section at the top of your folder list that provides quick access to folders you use most. If your missing folder disappeared from Favorites, it may still exist lower in the folder tree. To ensure the Favorites area itself is visible, click Show Favorites. This reveals the Favorites section so it's easy to spot and use. A couple of tips as you look. Expand any collapsed arrows beside your mailboxes and folders to reveal nested folders you might not see at first glance. Also, scroll through the full list carefully. Folders can sometimes be tucked inside other folders with similar names. If you recently changed your layout or are on a new computer, these view adjustments are often all it takes to bring your folders back into view. That's it. By opening Outlook, switching to the View tab, showing the folder pane and folder list, and enabling Favorites, you'll surface folders that looked like they were missing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Outlook organized again.